What is 2D transformation? The geometrical changes of an object from current state to modified state. Why the transformation is needed? To manipulate the initially created object and to display the modified object without having to redraw it. Now let's move towards the first transformation, that is the translation. What is meant by translation? Translation means the moving an object is called as a translation. We translate a point by adding to then the x and y coordinates respectively. Now suppose we are in the 2D environment. In that case we add the coordinates in x and y direction. If we are in the 3D space, then we can add in x and y and z direction respectively. The amount of point should be shifted in the direction x and y. We translate an object by translating each vertex in the object. Let's take one example over here. Here is the tx and ty. There is one object shown over here. This is a main object, that is the starting object. Now we want to translate that in ty direction and in tx direction by some unit. Now here we see the a matrix, that is the P2 is equal to P1 plus T. Now what is mean by P2? P2 is your transformed matrix, P1 is your original matrix and T is your transformation, that is the translation matrix. Now see here P1 is x1 y1, that is the coordinate of that entity in x and y. Now what is a T? T is your tx and ty, by which unit you want to translate that object in x direction and in y direction. Now let's take the what is a P2. P2 is your transformed matrix, that is the final result, that is the x plus tx and y plus ty, means respectively we are adding that unit in x and y direction. Now the scaling matrix. Now what is a scaling? Scaling is a changing the size of object is called as a scaling. Means the increasing or decreasing the size of an object is called as a scaling. We can scale an object by scaling in the x and y coordinates of the each vertex in the object. Now let us consider one example. Here is a one small object is shown over here and we are increasing the size of that object, that is called as a scaling. Now see the equation for the scaling here. P2 is equal to S plus P1. Now S is equal to Sx0 and 0 Sy and P1 is equal to your x1 y1. P2 is equal to Sx x1 Sy y1. Now see here it is a multiplication of the matrices here. Now in the previous case when we are translating the object, in that case we are adding the matrix. Now here in the scaling we are multiplying the matrix. Now in the multiplication we are multiplying with your scaling factor in x direction and scaling factor in the y direction. If you see the Sx is equal to Sy, in that case there is called as a uniform scaling, and if Sx is not is equal to Sy, then it is called as a non-uniform scaling. Now what is a matrix match? Why the matrix is used in this transformation? It is a more convenient organization of data, more efficient processing, enable the combination of various concatenation and matrix addition and the subtraction. Now see here the matrix addition and subtraction over here. Now the translation. How we translate the object? A translation moves all points in an object along the same straight line path to new position. The path is represented by a vector called as a translation or shift vector. We can write components over here. P dash x is equal to px plus tx. P dash y is equal to py plus ty. Or we can write down it is in the matrix form. P dash is equal to p plus t. That is, can also write down x dash y dash is equal to xy plus tx ty. Where your p dash is your transformed matrix, P is your original entity matrix and T is your transformation matrix. See here one object over here. it moves from one position to another position. See the red and blue color point in Tx and Ty direction. Now let us take one example over here. It moves in Tx direction in X and Ty in Y direction, and the final position of an object shown over here in the red color. Here Tx is 6 and Ty is 4. Now the scaling is a changes the size of an object and involve the two scale factor Sx and Xy for the xy coordinate respectively. Now the Px dash is equal to Sx Px and P dash y is equal to Sy Py, or in the matrix form we can say that P dash is equal to S plus P. What is S? S is a scaling entity over here, that is Sx 0 and 0 Sy. Let's take one example over here. There is a one triangle called as a P triangle. It scale by some unit, that is Sx and Sy. In X direction it is Sx and in Y direction it is Sy. So it will be scaled like this. So here we can see the how we translate an object and how we scale an object. The main objective of this lecture is student can understand, or one can understand how to translate any entity or how can scale any entity. By using a simple example, we should know that how to translate the entity and how to scale the entity. There are simple matrices are there. By just adding the matrix we can scale, we can translate the entity, and just by you are multiplying the your matrix we can scale the entity. And you remember one thing, that in the scaling, the scaling factor is never negative. If the scaling factor is greater than 1, then there is a enlargement of the your entity, and if the scaling factor is less than 1, then there is a decrease in the size. So never we can put the negative factor for the scaling. Thank you.